Hello everyone, welcome to Vysh IAS YouTube channel and to the Plums, a free UPSC MCQ series. So on daily basis, 5 MCQs as part of Plums will be dealt. So as part of episode number 188, I am going to deal the MCQs related to aptitude and reasoning which were asked in the recent CSAT examinations. In the last episode also, I have dealt the same. I have taken the questions from the CSAT paper of 2022 prelims exam. So if you want the free content or if you want to inquire about any test series of the Vysh IAS YouTube channel, you can ask your queries through you can ask your queries through WhatsApp through this number 7200681675. So, and please subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell icon in order to receive all the free content for free. Okay, now let's solve MCQ number 1. If P, Q, R and S are distinct single digit positive numbers, then what is the greatest value of P plus Q into R plus S? So the main thing that we have to underline in this question is distinct. They have told we have to take the distinct numbers in order to generate the answer. The answer should be in such a way that the greatest possibility of this number should be considered. So if you want to take the greatest numbers of the single digits in order to get the resultant also a greatest, so we have to take 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is the typical thing out of this is arranging these numbers in P, Q, R, S. Okay, in order to get the resultant, the greatest number, we have to take, for example, x into y. In order to get the greatest number out of these numbers, x and y should be equal. So the P plus Q value and R plus S value should be equal in order to generate the greatest possible value. So if you add 6 and 9, you will get it as 15, and if you add 7 plus 8, you will get it as 15. So if these both numbers are equal, then the resultant will be obviously highest one. 15 into 15 is 225. So 225 is the correct answer. That is option number B is the correct answer for MCQ number 1. Now let's solve MCQ number 2. A number n is formed by writing 9 for 99 times. What is the remainder if n is divided by 13? I hope if you have studied till 10th class, definitely you will know the divisibility rule of the 13. I'm going to tell you again what will be the divisibility rule of the 13 in this class for solving this question. So if the number is xyz, the divisibility rule of the 13 in such a way that we have to make the pairs of 3 numbers. We have to make the pairs of 3 numbers, and we have to make the difference out of these 3 numbers. So we, for example, if the number is xyz, pqr. If this is the number which is 12-digit number. So if you want to check whether it is divisible by 13 or not, we have to make the pairs of the 3 numbers. After making the pairs of the 3 numbers, we have to check the difference. xyz minus xyz, you will get it as 0. pqr minus pqr, you will get it as 0. It is definitely divisible by 13. So if the resultant is something which is divisible by 13 also, the number will be divisible by 13. Okay, now let's solve MCQ number 2 by using this divisibility rule of 13. So if 9 is written for 99 times, okay, if 9 is written for 99 times, how can we make the pairs of the 3 numbers in of these numbers? You will write it as 999. This is one pair, 999, one pair. This and this gets cancelled after making the difference between these two. And the other pair. Okay, this 2 gets cancelled. So if you do the same thing, we have to make, so how the resultant 0 comes? If you use 6 nines, you will get the resultant as 0, right? How many nines will be remaining after considering, after doing the difference of all these numbers, how many nines will be remaining? So if you divide 99 nines by 6, you will get it as 6 ones are 6, 6 6 are 36. So 3 will be remaining. So more 3 nines will be remaining after getting cancel of other 999s. Okay. If you divide 999 by 13, what will be the remainder? That is what we have to find. If you divide 999 by 13, what will be the remainder? If you divide 999 by 13, the remainder will be definitely 11. Okay, 11 is the correct answer for MCQ number 2. Now let's solve MCQ number 3. Each digit of a 9-digit number is 1. It is multiplied by itself. What is the sum of the digits of the resulting number? So in the last class itself, I have told you the technique of the digital sum. I have told you that before prelims, before the conduction of the prelims itself, a few episodes before the prelims, I a technique of digital sum. I have told you in the last class that the technique of digital sum, which I have already dealt with you, was useful in order to solve one or the two questions from the prelims exam, and this is the another question which can be useful, which can be solved by using the technique of the digital sum. So each digit of a 9-digit number is 1. It is multiplied by itself. So what will be the each digit? 1, 2, 3. So this is the 9-digit number. It is multiplied by itself. I've told you in the digital sum that we have to make the sum of all the digits. If you make the sum of all digits, you'll get it as 9 into 9, that is 81. So from the options also, you have to check 8 plus 1 is 9. You have to check in which of the following options after doing the digital sum will get the resultant as 9. 6 plus 4 is 10, that is wrong. 8 plus 0 is 8. 1 plus 0 plus 0 is 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. So 81 is the correct answer for question number 3. Now let's solve MCQ number 4. What is the sum of all digits which appear in all the integers from 10 to 100? So if you write that integers from 10 to 100, you will get it as 10, 11, 12, so on till 19. Again 20, 21, 22, so on till 29. Okay, 90, 91, 92, so on till 99. So we have to make the sum of all the digits which appears in all these particular numbers. So if you consider only ones from the first line, only one from the first line, you will get 1 for 9 times. If you take only 2 from the second line, you will get 2 for 9 times. Same way with 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 also. So we have to take that. We have to take in this way. 1 second. Okay. 1 plus 2 plus so on till plus 9. This appears for 9 times. This all numbers appears for 9 times in all these numbers. The remaining numbers are 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 appears from 9 times. Okay. 1 appear for 9 times. 2 appear for 9 times. Okay. And 3 appears for 9 times, and so on till 9 appear for 9 times. Again, 1 second. 1 plus 2, 3, so on till 9 times. Okay. Plus again 1 plus 2, so on till 9 times. Okay. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on. 9 plus 9 is 18. Okay. If you want to know the sum of this 9 numbers, there is a formula, n into n plus 1 by 2. N into n plus 1 by 2 into 18. N is nothing but 9. 9 into 10 by 2 into 18. 2 9s are 18. 9 9s are 81. 8 10. I think I have done something wrong. 1 second. See, 1 second. The technique is same, but I have did something wrong. Okay, if you do again the sum, 10 so on till 19, 20 so on till 29, 30 so on till 39, so on 90 so on till 99. Okay, plus 100. If you take only ones, okay, I have taken 1 for 9 times, 2 for 9 times, not the 9 times, it will come for 10 times. Okay, 1 comes 10 times, 2 come 10 times, 3 come 10 times, 9 come 10 times. Again, 0 comes for 9 times, 1 come for 9 times, 2 come for 9 times, so on. So same thing, but one thing that I have did wrong is I have taken 9 in place of 10. Okay, 1 plus 2, so on into 10 plus 1 plus 2 plus so on into 9. 19 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on. 19 into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, n into n is 9, n plus 1 by 2. If you solve this question, so 45 into 19 is nothing but 855. But one step that you will do it is wrong is 100. The number 100 is something which we have not considered in the whole process. So plus 1 should be done. So 100, this digital sum of 100 is nothing but 1. So 855 plus 1 is 856 is the correct answer for MCQ number 4. What is the sum of all 4-digit numbers less than 2000 formed by the digits 1, 2, 3 and 4 where none of the digits is repeated? So these all the questions are easy but they're time consuming. Okay, what is the sum of the digits of the 4 numbers? So if you use simple logic, the first digit should be less than 2. Definitely 1 should be the digits, 1 should be in the digit place, and we have to change the 2, 3, 4 in this particular 3 positions. If you in the first case, if you put 2 as it is, the 3 and 4 gets changed. Okay, 3 and 4 gets changed. Again, if you put in the second position place, if you take it as 3, 2 and 4, you'll get it as 1, 3, 4, 2. Okay. The other thing is, if you take in the second digit place 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 3, 2. Okay. This is the technique. Again, I'm telling you that 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4, 3. 1, 3, 4, 2. 1, 3, 2, 4. 1, 4, 2, 3. 1, 4, 3, 2. These are the different numbers formed. Okay, less than 2000. So one homework that I wanted to give you is find the sum of all these numbers and tell me in the comment box and tell the correct answer for the given question. So that is it for today's video. I hope so you have enjoyed this particular plums episode, that is episode number 188. So please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for the same kind of videos. Okay, thank you everyone. Stay happy and bye bye.